Hello and good evening. Am I audible? Am I visible? Can you hear me? Can you see me? Just give me a thumbs up if I'm visible and audible, okay? Hello, hello, hello. No, I'm here only, Pramiti. I'm just waiting for everyone to join. So 5 minutes, everyone joins, and then I'm just waiting for everyone to join so that I can start. That's the whole thing. My voice, is it okay? And is the video buffering too much or is it okay? Actually, today what happened, by mistake I uploaded a 8 GB file on YouTube, and because of that I think my internet has gone for a toss. It's unlimited, I don't know, but still I think that's the reason that the internet is having a, now I think it's working fine, right? Okay, so see, when you come to the live session, it has to be a two-way interaction. So if I only keep talking and you are not talking and I only keep doing everything, it doesn't work. So if you want to get the best of the results out of this writing session, you also need to participate. So I think we were going to discuss, what did I tell you in this video? We'll discuss what? Share capital and debentures questions, am I right? We had thought to discuss share capital and debentures questions, right? That was the motive, right? Share capital and debentures today, huh? So okay, I have already decided on 4 different questions. Yes, it will be for every chapter. Every day हर चैप्टर का एक करके होगा. ऑडिट मतलब ऑडिट सब्जेक्ट नहीं, ऑडिट एंड ऑडिटर्स चैप्टर. ऑडिट सब्जेक्ट का राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस नहीं होगा. गुड इवनिंग राघवेंद्र. So I'll just give you the question number, guys. Just wait, huh? So the first one was page 67. अब जो भी हो, आपका नाम मुझे नहीं पता है, ऑडिट में नहीं पढ़ाती हूँ तो इसीलिए नहीं करूँगी. अच्छा, दिस क्वेश्चन, कैन यू सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 18? Very happy to have our Swift scans in the form of a book now. Can you see question number 18? नहीं पढ़ाती हूँ इसीलिए. No worries, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Not an issue at all. चलो इसका आंसर, टेल मी गाइज. I want you to tell me what provisions you write. I have taken up the recent question. This question was a recent one. It was in May 24 exam. So tell me. I just want you to tell me which section and provision you will write here. ठीक है? Nothing else. And also tell me, after we have discussed what provision you will write, do you want me to write with you? Like, do you want me to show you how to write, or just discussion is enough? I'm asking you because I want you to get the best out of it. So you only tell me what would be, like what would be good to you. So we'll do it that way only. Please give me what provisions will you write here? Writing, okay. Okay. But I want to read, and first you tell me what answer will you write here. Then I will tell you how to write it. First you will tell me that which provisions will you write here, okay? Please tell me. See, I can take the easy way out, save time, yours, mine, and just finish it off. But I want you to tell me first what provisions we will write. And then I'll show you what provisions to write. So at least you will know what provisions will come and whether you are able to identify or not correctly. So please tell me quickly. And the reason I'm putting it full screen so that you can see the question. This is sad that you people did not even come up with an answer after giving so much of time. So basically MNO Limited has the following equity share capital. So this is their equity share capital. Fine. At the time of issue, the company has fulfilled all the conditions related to the issue of equity share capital. The company wants to vary the voting rights of class 2 equity shares. So basically this is what? Variation of rights, right? Correct? Variation of rights. Section 48. The company's MOA have given the power to make the variation. The holder of 40,000 equity shares have their consent in writing for this variation. Out of the dissenting shareholders, the holders of 4,500 want to apply to the tribunal. So here they are talking about first provision of variation, as well as if dissenting shareholders, do they have any options? These are the two things that they are talking about in this question. So we have to write complete section 48. You want me to write and show, right? So how will you start it? As per the provisions of, or as per section 48, you can write section 48 of Companies Act 2013, a company may vary the rights attached to the shares if the following conditions are fulfilled, right? Now see, conditions are there, so it is actually point wise. And please, whenever the question, the answer has points, please make it a point to write it in points only. But ma'am, you told us paragraph, so that paragraph is a part of the point. That point is a part of the first paragraph only. I am writing these points, but they form a part of the first paragraph. If you don't write it in points, the answer becomes very, it's like you have made a khichdi out of the answer. So answer is not very much evidently visible then. The provisions are not visible. So the first point is there should be a provision in the MOA or the AOA for such variations, and the issue must not prohibit such variation first, correct? Then second, consent of %75 of holders of such class has been taken or a special resolution is passed if the meeting is of that class, right? Second point. Then third point, where holders of not less than 10% of the class who did not agree to such variation or vote in favor may apply to the tribunal. If such application is made, variation can take place only with the approval of tribunal, right? This is the provision. We have written all the provision. Now let's get back to the case again. Consent of how many was taken? So what is the shares? They want to vary the voting rights of class 2 shares. Class 2 shares are how many shares? 50,000 equity shareholders. 40,000 have given their consent in writing, correct? So if I say 40,000 of 50,000, that is it more than 75%? Yes. So the first condition is fulfilled. Okay. Second, dissenting shareholders 4,500 are applying. 50,000 shares are there. So minimum how many should apply? Minimum 10% should apply. Correct or not? But how many have applied? 4,000, which is equal to 5,000. How many have applied? 4,500. So is it valid? No. So whether a company can change the rights of its shareholders. So how will you write the conclusion? Second paragraph, I am not wasting my time or your time writing it. So how will you write it? Therefore, first, company can vary the rights after fulfilling the conditions stated. Second, whether the dissenting shareholder can apply to the tribunal. Now in this case, can the dissenting shareholder apply to the tribunal? No. As the dissenting shareholders are less than 10%, they cannot apply. So this is our answer. Second paragraph has to be there, and I'm really not going to write that, please. But this is your answer. I hope this is clear to everyone. Let's go to the next question. Let me just open the question. Number 72. Can you see question number 26? I want you to give me the answer to question number 26, guys. Last question, no one answered. This time I want you to answer, otherwise I'll not give the answer. Guys, what is the answer? What is the answer? Correct, Deepa. So what will you write here? Yes. So Data Limited, which is listed on a stock exchange, was incorporated. You want me to write this answer also? Achha, another thing, I was thinking of discussing the questions, previous year questions, and also you guys only suggest me, should I do it live or pre-recorded? Okay. So Data Limited was incorporated on 1st October 2018 with a paid up share capital, and you want me to write this answer also, please do let me know, of 200 crore. With this small time of 4 months, it has earned huge profits and has topped the charts for its high employee friendly environment. The company wants to issue sweat equity shares to its employees. A friend of the CEO has told that they cannot issue shares for 2 years have not lapsed since the company. There is no such condition. The CEO of the company has approached you to advise them about the essential conditions to fulfill before. So here you just have to write everything about section 54. Right, you have to write everything. So how you will write? As per section 54 of the Companies Act 2013, a company may issue sweat equity shares to its employees, or you will define first. As per the provisions of Companies Act 2013, sweat equity shares means those shares which are issued. Sweat equity shares can be issued if the following conditions are fulfilled. Then you write the conditions. Special resolution has to be passed. The explanatory statement should specify the number of shares, the price per shares, the discount at which it is offered, the market price, and the class of employees or directors to whom it is issued. So that has to be there. Then you will write that. And obviously whatever other conditions has to be fulfilled. However, so in the second paragraph you will write, however, there is no such case or there is no such clause that 2 years have to be passed before the company can issue the sweat equity shares. Therefore the company can issue. So the next question that I want to discuss, then I've just taken different questions from 79. I want you to answer me this and also the provisions that you will write. Give me the answer to this question, guys. What are all provisions you have to write? And hello, Sudhanva. Guys, please give me the answer. Oh, the answer is visible also. Shit, I forgot. You have to practice writing. The more you will practice writing, the more you will be able to write the answers in the exams also. Otherwise, you will not be able to write the exams, the answers in the exams. Okay. Sources you have to write. Sources you have to write. Yes, you have to write. Now, why you have to write about the sources? Because they are asking you in this ratio can we issue. So when they are asking you can I issue in this ratio, you have to see the funds, right? So basically they are saying that they want to issue 1:3. That means for every 3 shares they want to issue 1 bonus shares, or for every 2 shares they want to issue 1 bonus shares. Now we need to calculate the sources and see how much fund is available. Only then we can calculate whether this ratio can be issued or not. So here the question is basically about the sources that should be used to issue sweat equity shares. One more question I want to discuss with you all. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I want you to calculate and give me the answer to this question. Everything about this question. So Large Limited has a paid up equity capital and free reserves to the extent of 50 lakhs. The company is planning to buy back shares to the extent of 4,50,000. So 50 lakhs, if I want to buy back shares, if it is up to 10%, I can do it by board resolution. If it is more than 10%, up to 25%, I can do it by passing a special resolution, and obviously more than that is not even allowed. So a special resolution. So here you will have to write about what you have to write. So let's see what are the questions. So you have to write in the provisions, because buyback has so many provisions. You will write about the resolution, you will write about the limit and the resolution. Time limit for completion of buyback is 12 months, and you have to write about the debt equity ratio. So basically your answer will have these 3 provisions. So you have to write only these 3 provisions in the answer. As per the provisions of, or as per section 68 of the Companies Act, a company may buy back its shares or other specified securities if the following conditions are fulfilled. The buyback should not, the company must pass a special resolution. The buyback should not exceed 25%. However, if the buyback is less than 10%, up to 10%, it can pass a board resolution and need not pass a special resolution. So you have to write, and the debt equity ratio after the buyback should not be more than 2:1, and the buyback should be completed within 12 months. So this is what provisions will come in your answer. Okay. So this is, I wanted to discuss. I thought I have to write all the questions, but you all said I don't have to. So I just had taken out these 4 questions I wanted to discuss. If you need any videos, live videos, recorded videos, just update me on that, and I'll try to get back on those videos to you all. Okay. Keep learning, keep studying, happy learning, and stay motivated. So I'll end this session here itself. Yes, works fine with everyone. Thank you, Pramati. I was, just let me know, I was thinking of discussing the questions of previous year from the Swift scans. So should I do it live or should I do it recorded? Just let me know on that. What you think is going to be better? Thank you, Deepa. Live will be better or recorded will be better? Just let me know that. So in that case, I'll accordingly arrange it. Okay guys, let me know. I'll see you all in the next session. Thank you and good night.